In this video, I would like to present you Beamline. Beamline is a Java framework designed to facilitate the prototyping and the development of streaming process mining algorithms. Beamline is defined as a set of functions to extend Apache Flink. Apache Flink is a library for stateful computation over data streams, which supports the ingestion of events from many different sources, their processing, and the production of events, or the exporting of events into many things as well. Here you can see actually an overview of which sources and things are supported off the shelf with Beamline, but it is also possible to have more high-level operators, for example, to transform streams from one shape to another shape, or to filter streams, or to reduce the streams, or to apply windowing techniques. That Beamline is essentially an extension of Apache Flink, specifically designed for process mining purposes. On the project website, which is beamline.cloud, you can see on the Getting Started page, you can actually see basic instructions about the concepts as well as examples. Beamline can be imported into a project using Maven or Gradle, and the first example is reported here, the Hello World stream mining, where essentially an XES file is used as a source. A simple discovery mining algorithm is defined, and then the workflow of the execution workflow is defined in this third step, where essentially the source is added, the map, a flat map in this case, is connected to the source, and the result of the miner is synced into an SVG file. So essentially for every event in the source, this event is forwarded to the discovery miner, which with a given frequency will spit out a process map that here we're going to just output into an SVG file. On the page, you see the basic concepts reported as well, and different importers are available, such as from MQTT, CSV, XES. Filters are also available, for example, to retain activities or to exclude activities based on attributes of the event or attributes of the trace. And some mining algorithms are also reported. A lot of techniques are already implemented in Beamline, and in particular it is possible to simulate streams using PLG, but it is also possible to perform the discovery using a simple miner, as well as the heuristics miner with lossy counting, and the heuristics miner with budget lossy counting. And it is possible to mine and declare processes with the declare miner with lossy counting and the declare miner with budget lossy counting. Conformance checking techniques are also implemented, in particular the one for which uses behavioral patterns. Yeah? And other mining techniques are also coming, for example, the DCR miner. The example page shows a bunch of real-world examples. For example, this one, which consumes the edit operations of Wikipedia performed in real time. So it actually connects to the stream of changes, where each change is associated to an event, where the activity name is the edit operation performed, and the case ID is which page has been edited. And in this example, you see a walkthrough of all the different steps to produce the output. It is important to mention additionally that the output of Beamline has not to be processed or has not to be visualized directly in Beamline, but it can also be stored, for example, in a database, and all tools coming from the observability domain can be used for observing these outputs. For example, in this case, I created a Grafana dashboard that visualizes the output of Beamline.